guys, today let's learn how to private your Facebook account so that no one can see your post. Now, how do you actually keep your account private and not set onto the public view so that whoever stalks your account who isn't your friend and is from the public, so how do you actually hide your posts, want you yourself to see that specific post and nobody else? Well, what we need to do in order to proceed with this is to head on over on our Facebook applications, and I want you to head on over, log into the account that you prefer to use. In this case, I do prefer to use this account right here, and basically from here, if we want to proceed with posting anything that we would like to hide from the general public, all we need to do is head on over and make a post. So let's click on what's on your mind and let's actually make a post. Now, before actually posting any specific post that you want to do, there is this option to hide. Now we have a few options. Of course, the first one is public. Now what that means, of course, everybody who views your account will see every single post that you post on there. If you don't want to set it on public, you can set it on friends, which means that only your friends could see the posts that you post, basically. But if you want no one else to see your posts on Facebook and make your Facebook posts private, what you should actually set it to is to only me. So what only me is basically, well, what it says. So only you can see your posts and nobody else. So click on done once you're happy and post that onto your Facebook accounts, and you should be done. No one else can see that post except you. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.